Hi guys, welcome back. And so far you have learned how you can assert the URL, title and element if it's visible. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can assert the value of the link. Again, this scenario is very useful in the end-to-end testing, so it's very important that you know how to do it. So let's create one more test step and let's give a description. Check link value. And again, the concept is pretty much the same. First, you need to create a variable, and let's for example name it a link, and then you need to get the selector value of that link. So if you go back to our example.com website and you inspect the more information link, you can actually see that it's element of age. So all you have to do is put age here. Again, if there will be more links, it will most likely will have a unique selector, which I'm again gonna show you in the later videos. But let's keep it simple for now. And click on that and copy link address. And now if you go back, now we need to verify or expect the value of that link. So you type expect link and the function name is to have link. Again, this function is provided by WebdriverIO for us. And all you have to do is paste the link address. And that's it. Again, it's pretty simple, you know, the idea behind the assertion is all the same. WebdriverIO gives us this nice expect functionality with a lot of this predefined function, which helps you a lot. And this is one of the reasons why WebdriverIO is so popular framework, because it doesn't require you to do much code, because a lot of the functions are already pre-built for you. So let's now run it. And let's wait. And we should still have all the tests green. Yeah, and as you can see, the new test check link value is passing as well, because the assertion is successful. So I think that's it. We can leave the video because there is nothing else you should know about validating the links. You can try it on some more links if you want to practice it more. And in the next video, I will show you the difference between explicit and explicit waits, which are also very important topic. So see you in the next video.